JR, can you say hi to my sister, honey?
Hey, what's up, honey? How you doing? Hope you're good.
Fan. Thank you, JR.
welcome.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna be happy.
What's up, honey? I'm over here with your brother-in-law. We just wanted to say hi to you. Hope you're good. Thank you.
Tonight, she is a physical therapist by profession. Give it up for Ivy Tontapay.
Idol! 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 No die, no die.
Nagpasyente pa ako kanina. Feeling lang, napadaan lang ho ako dito. Just smile for me and let today begin. I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will rise. On the wings of love and above the clouds, the only way to fly. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high upon the wings of love. Come on! You look at me and I begin to melt, just like the sun when the ray of sun is bare. I'm crazy about you, baby, can't you see? Feel so delighted if you would come with me. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high upon the wings of love. Okay ba? Okay ba? Yes, you belong to me, and I'm yours exclusively. Right now, believe in your breathing shine. It's everywhere it seems. I'm flowing like a stream, running free, traveling, running love. Wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high, together flying high. On the wings of love and above the clouds, the only way to fly. On the wings of love, on the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high, flying high upon the wings of love. Thank you. Nice! Asan yung mga pasyente ko dito? Wala? Oh, okay ba kayo dyan? Nag-enjoy kayo? Yes! Sorry, wala akong practice. Napadaan lang po ako dito. Nahanap pa yung song ko, pero sana nag-enjoy kayo bago yung finale here. Hindi pala finale. First, I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along inside of me. From my bed, come on. I just look into find you here without a look upon your face. I should have changed the stupid look. I should have made you look. If I have no more, just one second. You'll be back to bother me. Don't have love. But you don't wanna try. Don't make me fine. It's like a fool. And I lay down and die. No, no, no. I will survive. Oh, no, it's time to hunger. I know I stay alive. I got all my love to live. I got all my love to give. And I survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. Come on now. Woo!
Sino yun? Ikaw yun, mama? Mare, kuya, ate? Pasensya na, kulang tayo sa suga. Sa ilaw ba? Daming Bisaya, no? Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Naunsa na matangani, inatay. Inatay matangani, oy. I know. So let me introduce myself, just in case some of you don't. Ano ba aming halik at iyak mo? Di ko na kayang isipin kung may panalangin. Wala ka na sa aking tabi, di magpapalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan at tuluyan paghahayaan. Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan.
You Miss Me? You guys know this song, right? So I did a revival of this song for the album Hits Reimagined.
Miss me now that I'm gone. Get the DJ to play our favorite song, 'cause it's what keeps us holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Oh, I remember the love we had, how could I forget? I remember the tears I cried over one regret.
O kunyari, mall show.
Now we're alone, hey, so alone. I can't help thinking about you.
But ganda, oh.
Love, hey, in the world. Now I'm alone.
O gumigiling. Hey.
The radio plays our favorite song, and it's what keeps me home.
Yes, how? Just
Baby, you miss me now that I'm gone. Hey, get the DJ to play our favorite song, 'cause it's what keeps us home.
happy birthday.
Baby, do you miss me
Nakagaon pa, oh.
now that I'm gone? Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey.
Oh, lower. Hala, sige. Gumigiling si nanay, ah. Yes, yes. Hey! Hey!
Me, do you miss? Do you miss me? Do you miss? Do you miss me? Do you miss? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss? Oh, sometimes it feels like we can't lose. Yeah. As long as we play together, tell them whatever, baby, whatever. It's me and you. I want you to know. Yeah. And are you ready? Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Woo. Are you ready to fall? Are you ready to fall? Are you ready to fall? I'ma be your parachute. Let me be your parachute. Don't look down, don't look down. I'll be yours. Yeah. Let me be your parachute. Don't look down, don't look down. Are you ready to fly? I'ma catch you, I'ma let you fall in love. Oh no, I'ma be your parachute. Oh yeah.
Woo! Love you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for having us. You know, this is my first time being in Indianapolis. And I must say, this crowd is so nice. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much for coming out tonight, dressing up, looking nice. You got your makeup on. You got your nice suit on, your nice shoes on. Give yourselves a round of applause, everybody. Thank you for looking so beautiful. Look at that, everybody looking all nice. So I had a conversation earlier in the elevator on the way down to the venue. And some people were coming to watch the show. But they're not Filipino. They don't understand Tagalog. So I was telling them, you know what? Just, even though you can't understand, you just feel the music, because music is universal. Doesn't matter what language you're talking about. When you hear music, you know, we all are on the same page. So I told them, when I'm up there and I'm singing my song that you don't understand, just listen to the music, just close your eyes and just feel it in you, because that's what music does. And I want to do it for you tonight. I know most of us are Pinoy in here, you can understand this next song. But to the ones that can understand, don't worry about it. You're still gonna have fun. It's all about the music. Let's go. This one's called Bakit Ba Ba? This is for all the heartbroken people in the house tonight. Is there anybody heartbroken? Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, baby girl. I'm so sorry. This one is for you. It's for you. For you too, and you. And you. Papaalam ka. Masaktan kita. Huwag makitang mali. Ngayon alam ko na sa'yo'y nakasala. Sana muli ako'y mapagtawad pa. Araw-araw kang lumulha sa akin ay nagmamakaawa. Nooy di marinig pagsama mo. Thank you.
Where you can sell, you can do whatever kind of payment. Anyways, next go.
We would also like to thank
Share the stage with us.
for the guests. Thank you.
Well, I love you too. You are so nice. You don't even know me. How old are you? Like 10? You're what?
I'm 12.
Wait, I'm 53. So I don't understand this, but thank you. What is there any particular song that you like from me?
I like the first one.
The one that I sang earlier? Oh, the medley of dance. Ganyan. Yeah. But I love you. Thank you. What's your name?
Bridget, and my mom is like a huge fan of you.
Thank you. Where's your mama? Where's mama?
Hi, Mom.
My dear. Ay, ang ganda ni Mami. Oo. Maraming salamat. You know what? You can find all of our songs on Spotify.
Yeah.
Ganun, yes. I love you, sweetheart.
Uy, ang hina ng ano niya.
We
would
will
like to
take
thank all
photos
the,
later.
ano,
All of us will be outside, so go.
all the guest singers, sabi ni Madam, dito daw lahat, tatawagin natin lahat.
All of our guests.
Dito
singers.
daw, yan.
Let's take a photo.
Pwedeng
right?
lumusot dyan. Sheila Evans, thank you.
Mark Oleska.
And Yolanda Olivares.
Jen Chalupa.
Ivy Contabay. Van Goviola.
Nora Silvers.
Jojo Roberts.
Filipina Pride Dancers.
Yes.
O dito kayo, pila na, pila.
Ayan.
Please, sasayaw tayo sa dulo. Sasayaw tayo.
Anong klaseng sayaw?
Single daw po.
Turn around. We got a picture.
We will be with you.
But before that, tatawagin na natin yung very important people.
Yes, let's do that. Before we take our photos, we would like to call our line producers, Christina from Philippine Center, Amor Chapman, Joveline,
Albinda.
We want Han and also Mati from PNA. Please report to the stage Joanna Corbonel. And of course, the executive producer, the owner of
Paddock Entertainment,
Cindy and Richard.
Balik kayo sa stage.
Kumari ko to eh. Come on. Come up here, ladies and gentlemen.
Or for a quick photo.
Yeah, so we have a picture.
Halika dito.
Ano ba to?
Come on, Richard.
Oh, salamat ang tao. Thank you very
O
much.
ano to? Ito yung section 12. Section 12.
Tara. Alright, ready? Ready.
Come on, Richard.
Oh man, you look so dapper tonight, brother. Thank you, sir. Thank you for putting the show together. Now, 1, 2.
Ready, 1, 2. Smile. There you go. More.
You want to go there?
No, I'm good.
All right,
Are we
all
good?
right.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Wow.
2, 3.